Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a compact kitchen powerhouse, the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus food processor. If you're eager to elevate your cooking game without taking up too much counter space, stay tuned as we explore this handy little gadget. We found this product online and added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus is a versatile food processor designed to tackle everyday kitchen tasks with ease. With a 24-ounce work bowl, this mini food processor is perfect for chopping herbs, dicing vegetables, and even grinding hard cheese. It features a powerful 250-watt motor, ensuring that you have the strength needed for quick and efficient food prep. One standout feature of the Mini Prep Plus is its patented reversible stainless steel blade. This blade is specifically designed for two processing options, chop and grind, allowing you to switch between tasks seamlessly. The push-button control panel makes it incredibly user-friendly, so you can focus more on cooking and less on figuring out the controls. Just a simple push, and you're good to go. Now, who is this little appliance suitable for? The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus is ideal for anyone from busy professionals to home cooks who want to save time in the kitchen. If you're someone who frequently prepares meals with fresh ingredients but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of larger food processors, this model is perfect for you. It's compact enough to fit in small kitchens but powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. Practical use cases for this food processor are abundant. Imagine quickly chopping garlic and herbs for a flavorful marinade, or dicing onions without the tears. You can easily whip up a fresh salsa by processing tomatoes, onions, and cilantro in just minutes. It's also great for grinding up hard cheeses, making it a fantastic addition for anyone who loves to cook Italian dishes. Plus, its lightweight plastic body means you can easily move it around or store it without strain. Cleanup is a breeze with the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus. The work bowl and lid are dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup as easy as loading the dishwasher. The motor base can simply be wiped down with a damp sponge or cloth, so you won't spend a lot of time scrubbing after your culinary creations. Finally, it's worth noting that this mini chopper comes with a limited 18-month warranty, ensuring that you have peace of mind with your purchase. Plus, it's BPA-free, aligning with modern kitchen safety standards. So, whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef looking for a compact solution to meal prep, the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus food processor could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.